Hey guys! Okay, so we are going to review the jump strategy. It's similar to the split strategy, but we only have to split one number. So it's a little bit easier, or it could be faster for us. So the jump strategy, we draw a blank number line. And remember, our frog is super lazy, and he only wants to jump the smallest number as possible. He's a lazy frog. So we always start with the bigger number. So we have 852 plus 274. 852 is our biggest number, and that is the number we start with. So Mr. Froggy over here, he only wants to jump 274 lily pads, not 852. Okay, so our next step is to split or decompose the smaller number. We'll first decompose the number, just simply expanded form. 274, 274. Okay, now we can start jumping. We might need to decompose more, but for now, we're just going to start like that. So Mr. Froggy over here, I'm going to have him jump 200 plus 200. Now 852 plus 200 is, I know 8 plus 2 is 10, which would be like 1000 or 1000, but I still have 852, so I add my 52, so 1052. Now he's going to jump 70. Well, I'm going to go ahead, I see that we're going to be adding in our tens place. So here's the 7 in the tens place and the 5 in the tens place. I know that 5 or 50 and 50 is going to make 100, so I'm going to jump that first. So 50 and 50 makes 100. I already have 1,000, so I need to add that back, and I still have a 2. So I'm at 1,102. So I'm going to check that off. So far I've done 250, but Mr. Froggy here has to jump 274. So 50, I need 20 more to make 70. I've already jumped 200, already jumped 50, now I need to do 20. So jump plus 20, and 1,102 plus 20, I'm going to bring it down, is 1,122, because this is in my tens place. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 tens. Okay, so I've done 250 plus 20 is 270, and all I have left is 4. So I would say plus 4, and that's just in my ones place. 4 in the ones place, 2 in this ones place. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then I would add my rest of my numbers. So the final answer is 1,126. So I'm going to double check to make sure that my frog, my lazy frog, jumped 274 lily pads. So 200 plus 50 plus 20 is 270, plus 4 is 274. So we jumped it all. Good job, Mr. Froggy. And our final answer is 1,126. Okay, now what I want you to do at home is the blank number line jump strategy. And I want you to do, let's see, 245 plus 362. Remember step 1, we have a lazy frog, so you always start with the bigger number. We have a 200 and a 300, so this one is our bigger number. We draw the blank number line, start with 362. All right, that's all I'm going to do for you. You do the rest.